You might not always work at the office, but there does always seem to be traffic. The QX55 transforms your highway experience with driver assist features that can help you with braking, accelerating, and steering in your lane. So traffic becomes less about sitting and more about doing. It's made a reality by ProPilot Assist, based on the same technologies that will make full autonomy possible in the future. When activated on the highway, your vehicle can automatically react to the flow of traffic by braking and coming to a complete stop, then accelerating again when the pace picks up. The QX55 can even help steer around gentle curves to keep you centered in your lane. Whether you're on the highway or off of it, advanced safety tech helps you maintain that Zen mindset. In front of you, to the side of you, and behind you, the vehicle can detect and respond to danger you might have missed. Altogether, these innovations make it easier to do what you want, such as hands-free activities like calling and texting, listening to a podcast, or even recording your own.
And today we welcome a very special guest to the Insight Podcast. She'll talk about finding creative time while running the day-to-day at Bionic Cheetah.
Innovative technology in the QX55. Your commute is finally yours.